In this video, we are going to capture the virtual private catalog concept of RMAN. Here what happens, there is a normal catalog database we created. The database name is RMAN. This is a catalog DB is RMAN. Then we registered target DB called prod with that. The issue comes when in real-time scenario, most of the companies we have multiple databases. So n number of databases we can have 100 200 databases regardless of but the issue comes when you have more than one database administrator, more than one DBA is there. Then the issue comes, who's the boss, who's the subordinate. So the boss the guys who's senior, who's managing the entire databases, should have the access to each and every database. But any beginner, a fresher, a new trainee, or somebody new joins with lesser experience should be given limited number of databases. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 10, but limited. The senior guy who should be able to see each and every database, but the fresher, the junior, he should see the given databases only. So in that case, in previous databases we used to create separate catalog databases for each database, and selected databases. Then only this guy used to be log in and manage those things. But right now, in latest versions of Oracle RMAN, we have the facility called virtual private catalog, where we can create a virtual private catalog alongside of main catalog, and with is given a limited number of databases. So we create a new database. So prod is already there, and RMAN is the catalog databases. DB1 is one more database we created. So to DB1 we need to give access. DB1 should be given to a new user in catalog database. Now we'll go to catalog database. We start the details. Here what we need to do, one more user with the name of vcat in catalog DB. We create one more user with the name of vcat in catalog DB with same RMAN TS is the basic default table space. We use RL wrap so that we can do this. Select name from v $database. So we created the new user. Select star from all underscore users. Previous catalog user is RMAN. Right now we created one more with vcat as its name. Now we grant resource and recovery catalog owner. Resource and recovery catalog owner to vcat. We log into vcat. We don't have anything here right now. Now DB1 is our target DB, so we have to make sure it is working. Exit. DB1 is working, prod is working, RMAN is working. We just check. Listener is not working. So here it looks like it is not registered. The new DB is not registered. The DB1 should be registered with the statically. We will do static registration so that it will be there every time. We remove this, we will create another one. So here this is the basic thing, and we have prod and RMAN are registered. One more we can register, that is DB1, and we create a link to DB1. DB1 is the seed name. we saved it. Now we will stop the old one. Now it is showing db1 prod arman all are registered. Okay, 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 all three are working fine. Now the things are ready. Arman is the current database. Now we do the export of db1. We need to create virtual private catalog. It's not full catalog. Full catalog will have 142 tables and views. Here approximately 100 tables and views. Echo Oracle seed is db1 right now. Now we connect Arman. Will is this right? So we'll do as per my notes. Arman target right now it is db1. Catalog is Arman it to Arman. Sorry, Arman target to db1. Catalog is Arman it to Arman. Now we register db1 with the master catalog. Now two database will be registered under master catalog. We can see it here. Like we'll so two databases db1 and prod both are registered with the master catalog right now until here. Registered database grant. Now we have v catalog now. So grant catalog for a database. It has two databases db1 to vcat. Vcat is another user in catalog database. We gave this one database db1 to vcat. Under same master catalog we can issue this command list db unique name all. Now the both are registered here. So now we do some other steps. We'll exit from here. Connect to Arman through vcat user. Arman only catalog. vcat it to Arman. Now we connect it to virtual catalog only. Here we should not say full create catalog. We should say create virtual catalog. What it will do, 101 use tables, synonyms, views, and it created for virtual catalog. Here list db. Here, as you can see, we created virtual catalog here, and from rman master catalog we granted this one user one db1 to the vcat. Inside that main catalog we can see two, but here we can see only one because this guy has access to only one. That is a good thing about this logic. He can now only operate db1 backups and everything whatever. Now for db1 database, backup information will be stored in virtual private catalog as well as base catalog rman schema. We can stop this video.